Have you ever found yourself editing a table in DataGrip, only to realize you can't see the queries you've just executed? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to view the history of all changes made via the table editor. I totally get it. You want to keep track of the queries you run after making changes in the table editor, but the logs only show the initial query. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face the same issue. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I view the queries executed after I add a row via the table editor in DataGrip? If you've been wondering the same thing, stick around as we explore this together. So why does this happen? DataGrip's query logs can sometimes be a bit limited, only showing the initial query that brought up the table. But don't worry, there are ways to access the history of your changes. And make sure you stay with us until the end. I've got a great tip that will help you manage your queries more effectively in DataGrip. To view the history of all changes made via the table editor in DataGrip, the user should first open the table they want to edit. This can be done by navigating to the database and selecting the desired table. Next, the user should make the necessary changes in the table editor. This includes adding, modifying, or deleting rows as needed. Once the changes are made, the user can click the Submit button to apply these changes. After submitting the changes, the user can access the query log to view the executed queries. To do this, they should open the Database Tool window and locate the Query Log tab. In the query log, the user will find a list of all executed queries, including those generated by the table editor after clicking Submit. This allows the user to review the exact SQL commands that were run. Finally, the user can filter or search the query log to find specific queries if needed. This feature helps in quickly locating the relevant changes made during the editing process. Fun fact, did you know that the first database management systems were created in the 1960s? We've come a long way since then, but sometimes it feels like we're still figuring things out. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user highlights a feature introduced in version 2018.1 of DataGrip. They mention the Data Editor SQL log, which allows you to see the specific queries that DataGrip executes while updating data. Here's that tip I promised. Regularly check your query logs and keep them organized. This habit can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You can now view the history of all changes made via the table editor in DataGrip. Remember, keeping track of your queries is essential for efficient database management. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video.